Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Chevy Malibu with a dead key fob. First, understand that a completely dead key fob battery means your vehicle will not respond to any button presses. This can be frustrating, but there is a simple, built-in solution. Your key fob contains a hidden physical key designed for just this situation. We will guide you through finding and using it to regain access to your vehicle in just a few easy steps. To access the hidden key, carefully examine your key fob. You will find a small button or a sliding switch, often located on the side or bottom of the fob. Press or slide this mechanism firmly. As you do, the internal metal key blade will be released. Gently pull this key straight out from the fob's casing. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the traditional key you need. Now that you have the physical key, proceed to the driver's side door. Look closely at the door handle. Some Malibu models have a small cap covering the keyhole. If present, gently pry this cap off to reveal the keyhole. Insert the metal key blade fully into the keyhole. Then, turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your vehicle's design, to manually unlock the door. You should hear a click as the lock disengages. Once inside, your immediate next step is to replace the key fob battery. However, if you need to start the car immediately, many Malibu models have a special spot for a dead fob. This is often a slot in the steering column or a designated area in the center console. Place your dead fob there, and the vehicle's system can usually detect it to allow starting. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions for your specific model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.